Hi everybody, it's Reina with TI, and I'm so happy because I got a new phone. It's the iPhone 14 Pro Max with 256 gigabytes. I love this phone because it's very beautiful. It has premium design with high quality materials, providing both durability but also an aesthetic appeal. It has eSIM and is so easy for activation. And the best reason to change my phone was the previous one didn't have enough space. I was feeling frustrated, but now I'm free to use as much space as I wanted because it comes with 256 gigabytes. And that is especially important for me because I love to capture everything, photos, videos, apps, games. So this is the perfect phone to me. And the camera, I love the camera. I can capture professional quality photos and videos. So it's a great choice for anyone who wants a great phone. And that is my point of view.